How to make content calendar for social media on Google Sheets. In this video, I'll show you how to make content calendar for social media on Google Sheets. So, creating a content calendar for social media in Google Sheets is a smart way to stay organized, plan ahead, and collaborate with your team. So, first and foremost, go ahead and open Google Sheets into your device and then click on this blank spreadsheet button. So on this new spreadsheet, go ahead and name this as content calendar. Now create your columns. So use the essential columns such as date, platform, content type, caption, media link, hashtags, and status. So for the status tab, you can go ahead and set the answers to this into a drop down menu. So to do that, go ahead and select the areas where you want to add the drop down menu. So for example, since you only have one content, so go ahead and select the area under status and then click on insert at the top left of your screen, and then from here select drop down, and then in here you can go ahead and enter the information such as in progress, posted, deleted, and then set the colors for each of the status. For example, it has been posted, so it can be set to green. If it's still in progress, it could be set to red. And if it's deleted, you can set it to gray. And then click on done. Now, once these numbers are filled out with information, go ahead and click on copy and then paste it into the sections. And that is how you can do that. Now on the hashtags tab, you can freely add the hashtags that you have used for your posts. On the media link, you can go ahead and enter the media link where the photo for the post would be located. And then on the caption tab, you can go ahead and enter the captions that should be used for that specific post. And then for the content type, you can also add drop down in here. So from the top left of your screen, click on insert and then select drop down, and then enter the choices that you have for this. So for example, the content type is reels. You can set this to reels, and then another option is photos. You can set it to photo. Make sure that you set the colors for each of this item under your drop down. Then once you're done, click on done. So you can go ahead and do what you've did on the status tab once all of this section has been filled out. Now you can also add a drop down in here, and on the drop down you can find the platforms where you're actually posting on for that specific account, and then on the date. So in here you just need to simply enter the date. That is how you can basically create a content calendar for social media on Google Sheets. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to give this video a like and subscribe for more videos like this.